Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. It's a packed lineup over the next half an hour. First up, as always, the headlines. Russian strikes on Ukraine's Kryvyi kill 2 people and injure a woman. Missile and drone attack damaged several buildings in President Zelensky's hometown that's been targeted regularly since Russia's invasion. Iran warns Trump against targeting Supreme Leader following US President's call to end the leader's 40-year reign. Iran's armed forces spokesman says any aggression against Khamenei would lead to setting fire to the US. Protests erupt in Los Angeles against President Donald Trump's immigration policies on the first anniversary of his second term. Demonstrators chant ICE out of LA, holding signs like LA melts like ice. President Donald Trump departs for Davos World Economic Forum again after switching planes due to minor electrical issue that caused the first plane to return as its cabin lights briefly went out after takeoff. Gunman charged with killing Japan's former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe found guilty and jailed for life more than 3 years after the broad daylight assassination that shocked the world. US approves $2.3 billion sale of P-8A maritime patrol aircraft. Torpedoes and related equipment to Singapore aims to strengthen Singapore's maritime defense capabilities and supports US security goals. Security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district intensify and coordinate search operations in dense areas, forest areas for 4th consecutive day, aiming to locate and neutralize terrorists believed to be hiding in the region. US Supreme Court issued 3 rulings on Tuesday, but again did not decide the closely watched case on Trump's global tariffs. The delay leaves the legality of a sweeping trade levies unresolved as markets and policymakers await a future decision. Pakistan Cricket Board supports Bangladesh's stance of not travelling to India for the T20 World Cup next month. PCB writes a letter to the ICC ahead of a final decision on the matter, which is expected to be made today.